Good morning from northeast South Dakota, Glacier Lakes Hunting Lodge here. I'm Tim Chandler, and we have a product here that we invented for releasing birds and planting birds for all the people who are dog trainers, pheasant preserve owners, and just the individual releasing birds or planting birds in your daily operations. We have designed the DizzieBird canister. It's made of all aluminum, and you chuck it up in your cordless drill. And for releasing the birds, you just have a crate of birds and you stick the bird in head first. We'll show you how it works here. Take the bird and you put it in the canister head first. And the bird just stays in. And take it, and 7 to 10 seconds is all it takes. You rotate it, the bird gets dizzy. We'll show the bird as it's being put into the habitat here, and how the bird just stays, it won't fly away. It just sits until it becomes just a short period of time, 5 minutes until it gets back to normal. And we'll just do a couple of birds here just so you can see how it works. Take the bird again, head first, into the canister. 7 to 10 seconds. So it's a fast way to release birds, plant birds. It doesn't take much time at all. So if that can be something that you guys can use in your operation, we've used it for the last year and a half, and it works 100% of the time. Thanks for being with us today.